Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to use voucher code in Lazada. To use voucher code in Lazada, first you have to either visit the official website that is lazada.com or download the Lazada application from your Play Store or the App Store depending on the device you are using. After this, tap Open the application. Make sure that you are logged in either through the website or the application. Tap on the item you want to purchase. Select the item you want to purchase. You can select multiple as well. After this, tap on Add to my Picks. Confirm it by tapping on Add to my Picks again. Now, you have successfully added the item to your cart successfully. Go back to the home page. Tap on the cart icon located on the bottom panel. Here, you can see the subtotal price and the shipping fee as well. Tap on Checkout. Here, you can have the detailed description about the item you have selected. You can view delivery options right here. You can select different payments method that will be cash on delivery, GCash e-wallet, credit card or debit card, or using Lazada wallet. Right below that, you will see a section labeled Enter Voucher Code. Tap on it and enter your voucher code manually. Sometimes the voucher code may not work in Lazada. It might be because the voucher has been expired, it might be restricted to certain items or sellers, or the code might be incorrect. Make sure that you enter the correct code. After this, proceed to check out by tapping on Apply. And once you do this, tap on Place Order and then fill in your shipping details and confirm your order. Make sure that the discount has been applied successfully before proceeding. And that is how you use voucher code in Lazada. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.